Every day, thousands of people around the world fall victim to a simple, urgent message, often disguised as a notification from your bank, a delivery service, or even a trusted friend. These messages are designed to grab your attention, making you feel like you need to act immediately. They might say your account is locked, your package is delayed, or you need to verify some information right away. You tap a link, thinking you're just tracking a package, confirming a payment, or verifying your account details. It feels routine, something you've done 100 times before, but in that instant, without realizing it, you may have handed over access to your entire digital life. It only takes a second for malware to slip in, silently working in the background. Your Android phone, filled with personal photos, private messages, contacts, and banking details, could now be in a hacker's hands. They can see your texts, access your apps, and even steal your identity. This isn't science fiction or a plot from a movie. It's a real growing threat that's making headlines and affecting people from all walks of life. Hackers prey on our curiosity, our trust, and our busy lives. They craft messages that look completely legitimate, blending in with the dozens of notifications we get every day. The link might not lead to a real website, but to a convincing trap, a fake login page or a site that secretly installs spyware, giving criminals a backdoor into your device. Today, anyone can buy ready-made hacking kits online, no genius skills required. These kits are cheap, easy to use, and widely available on the dark web. For just a few $100s, ordinary criminals can control infected phones from anywhere in the world, watching your every move and stealing your most sensitive information. The person behind that suspicious link could be anyone, anywhere, someone you'll never meet, but with the power to ruin your day, your finances, or even your reputation. Understanding this threat is the first step to protecting yourself and your loved ones. Stay alert, question unexpected messages, and remember, a single click can change everything. How does a simple link become a weapon? It might look harmless, just a string of text or a button in an email or message. But in the hands of a hacker, a single tap can open the door to a world of trouble. The most common method is phishing, especially smishing, which is phishing delivered by SMS text. These messages often pretend to be from your bank, a delivery service, or even a friend, urging you to click quickly. Hackers rely on urgency and curiosity, tricking you into compromising your own security. Sometimes, all it takes is a moment of distraction or a split-second decision. Sometimes, just visiting a malicious site is enough. A hidden script can silently install malware or spyware on your device, without you even realizing it. You might not notice anything unusual until it's too late. Other times, you're lured to a fake app store, where you might download a Trojan disguised as a useful app. These apps can steal your data, track your activity, or even take control of your phone. These fake sites and apps are designed to look identical to the real thing, making them incredibly hard to spot. Even tech-savvy users can be fooled by a convincing copy. Hackers also exploit software flaws, using special links to run code and gain access. No downloads needed. Sometimes just clicking is enough for them to slip past your defenses. That's why keeping your phone and apps updated is critical. Updates patch security holes and help protect you from the latest threats. Attacks are evolving. Some links now exploit NFC technology, tricking you into tapping your card or phone and stealing payment info. Even contactless payments can be targeted if you're not careful. Criminals blend digital deception with real-world theft, using technology to target you wherever you are, all starting from a single deceptive link. The sophistication of these attacks is always increasing. Hackers constantly invent new tricks, making it a never-ending battle to stay safe. Staying alert is your best defense. Always think before you tap, double-check links, and keep your devices secure. In today's world, a little caution goes a long way. One of the most effective tricks cybercriminals use today? The fake login page. It's a simple tactic, but it's incredibly powerful. and it can fool even the most careful users if they're not paying close attention. A single malicious link, often sent through a convincing email or text, can take you to a perfect clone of your bank or email login. The page looks identical to the real thing, with the same logos, colors, and even web address, except for a tiny detail you might miss. Urgent warnings or fake security alerts push you to act fast, pressuring you to enter your credentials without thinking twice. In that moment of panic, you hand your username and password straight to hackers who are waiting on the other end. With your login, they can immediately lock you out of your own accounts, steal sensitive data, and trigger password resets for other services you use. Suddenly, you're shut out of your digital life, and the attacker is in control. Your email is the hub of your digital life. Losing access to it gives criminals immense power. They can reset passwords for your social media, shopping, and even work accounts, spreading the damage even further. Modern malware goes even further with overlay attacks. Here, a fake login screen appears right over your real banking app, capturing your details as you type them in. You might not even realize anything is wrong. You think it's just a glitch or a technical hiccup, but in reality, the hacker now has your credentials and can use them instantly. Antivirus won't catch it. This is social engineering, not a virus. The attack relies on tricking you, not infecting your device with malware. Once inside, hackers can access everything tied to your identity: bank accounts, private messages, cloud storage, and more. The consequences can be devastating, both financially and emotionally. These attacks are devastatingly effective and incredibly hard to detect, especially as scammers get more sophisticated every day. Vigilance is your best protection. Always double-check web addresses, never rush to enter your credentials, and stay alert for anything that feels off. Your awareness is the strongest defense against these digital thieves. Once inside, hackers can see and do almost anything on your phone. They steal your contacts, messages, photos, and videos, often selling or using them for blackmail. Modern malware can turn your phone into a surveillance device, activating your mic and camera remotely. Financial fraud is common. Malware logs your keystrokes, steals banking info, and intercepts security codes. Hackers can make calls, send texts, and spread malware to your contacts. They can change settings, install more apps, and even delete files. Your phone's notifications can be hijacked, hiding security alerts. In short, your phone becomes a puppet, controlled by someone else. The loss of privacy and control is total. Modern malware is stealthy, but there are warning signs. Sudden battery drain, overheating, or sluggish performance can mean malware is running in the background. Unfamiliar apps, changed settings, or aggressive pop-up ads are red flags. Watch for unexplained spikes in data usage. Malware may be sending your info out. Check your bank statements for small, unauthorized charges. Suspicious sign-in alerts from your accounts are a major warning. Unfamiliar calls or texts, or missing expected messages, could signal a SIM swap attack. Hackers may use your phone to spread malware to your contacts. Stay alert to these signs to catch a hack early. Suspect your phone's been hacked? Act fast. First, disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data to cut off the hacker's access. Review your installed apps. Uninstall anything suspicious. If an app can't be removed, revoke its admin rights in your security settings, then delete it. Run a security scan with Google Play Protect. For a deeper check, use a reputable antivirus app from the Play Store. If your financial info may be compromised, use another device to check your accounts and contact your bank. Notify your mobile carrier, especially if you suspect a SIM swap. Don't reconnect to the internet until you're sure your phone is clean. Quick action can limit the damage. If malware persists, a factory reset is your best bet. This wipes your phone completely, removing all apps, data, and the malware. Backup only essential files, photos, videos, documents, not apps or settings, to avoid restoring the malware. Use your phone's built-in backup for contacts and photos. After backup, perform the reset from your settings menu. Set up your phone as a new device. Don't restore from an old backup. Reinstall trusted apps one by one from the official Play Store. This ensures a clean slate and a fresh start. It's drastic, but often necessary for complete security. Prevention is the best defense. Never click on unsolicited links, even if they look legitimate. If in doubt, contact the company or person directly. Never use the link provided. Only install apps from the official Play Store and check reviews and permissions. Be wary of apps asking for unnecessary access. Deny suspicious permissions. Keep your phone and apps updated to patch security flaws. Use a strong lock screen, PIN, pattern, or biometrics. Enable two-factor authentication on all important accounts. With 2FA, even stolen passwords aren't enough for hackers. Combine these habits to build a strong digital fortress. Your vigilance is your best protection. Mobile threats are evolving fast. Cybercrime is now a global industry. Malware as a service makes hacking accessible to anyone. New tech, like NFC payments and smart home devices, expands the attack surface. Hackers can pivot from your phone to your entire network. Tech companies use AI to detect threats, but no system is perfect. Hundreds of malicious apps slip through each year. Technology helps, but human vigilance is key. Question every link, scrutinize app permissions, keep software updated, and use strong passwords with 2FA. The fight against cybercrime is a shared responsibility. Stay informed, stay cautious, and stay ahead of the hackers.